Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, yay for random footage. Camera? What's the camera doing? But if you'll notice, the bird has switched sides. Or maybe that's a different bird. I don't know. Hey, look, there's an ant up there too. She should eat it to feed it to her babies. To her babies. There's a lot of ants up there. There's another one. But yeah. Hello, little bird. This is the first. I changed some settings on the camera. As you can see, whoa, hey, there's my door. She was over there before, and there's no bird. Is there? Shit. I don't see any bird anywhere else, other than right over there. So I don't know if they switched ends because they were pissed off that I was messing with them, or what. But there's another birdie. There was another bird sitting right down here a while ago, but it flew off. It was like sitting there trying to hand up some fluff to this one or something. Maybe that's the other one. I don't know. Whoosh, there's my door again, by the way. Maybe one of these days I can actually film some babies for you. But, not today. Just a birdie. Bye-bye, birdie. Daddy's back. Oh, shit. A little too far. Hello, Daddy. How you doing, Daddy? Why are you dancing, Daddy? What? Dude, you already impregnated her with your eggs. You can stop. You can stop trying to impress her. For the love of God, what are you doing? Yeah, he's a camera hog. I'll tell you what. Hop, hop. Oh, shit. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, they're doing it. Maybe we should give them some privacy. This has just turned into a bird watching. Oh, what? Oh, where'd you go? What are you... Oh, they're building two nests? What are they doing? Shit. Shit. I can't get between the bars. Damn it. Okay, I'll come over here. I'll come over here, and hopefully that'll... I don't know if I like the new settings on this thing yet. He's moved to the other side. I guess they're building... Why am I up on my tippy toes? I can see from the screen here. Whoa. Oh, he flew off. That's done. And oh, wait. Somebody came back up over here. But they already came back up in there. Yeah, I'm standing on my tippy toes, trying to film this stuff. And I don't know why, because I can see it from my screen. Right here. Flat-footed. But, that's boring, because nothing's going on. And, that is the bird update for the day, I guess. Since they're not going to do anything else right now. So, I'm going to, burp and then walk away. Hey guys, I started to put together the birds video for the third fucking time. And, there's only like 3.5 to 4 minutes of the bird video. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to turn that thing on back there. I have it unplugged at the moment. And we're just going to see what happens when I plug it in. So let's cross our fingers and wish me good luck. Still having trouble focusing, which is upsetting. But anyway, we're going to turn this on. That's going. And now we're going to plug this in, hopefully, and see what happens. It popped. That's probably not a good sign. Nothing. Nothing. This is not good. Okay, I found out something. When I push this, you may notice that goes green. But when I push it, it still doesn't do anything. So, it will go green, but still nothing. Well, that was a big, humongous bust. That's, I've left that unplugged for days. Maybe a week. Probably longer than that, actually. I mean, gosh, I've been using nothing but my laptop, which I'm glad I bought now, especially, because otherwise I can't live without the internet. Gosh, for a couple weeks now. Maybe a month? I might have had that computer unplugged for a month. If it wasn't for wanting to get my music off of there from my iPod. Of course, you know, I've got pictures on there. I've got, you know, I've got stuff that I want to keep because it's my stuff. But I mean, I'm sure I can probably take the hard drive out of there, stick it in a different computer, and get all that shit off of there. So I would assume, anyway. But I mean, maybe there's a reset or something I can do. I really don't know. I'm not really in the mood to try to figure it out today either. I was hoping to plug it back in and turn it right back on. And I mean, it'd been making some terrible, terrible noises for a long time. And yeah, it would have to give out when I wasn't home, you know, but I got to go to Lambert's and I enjoyed that. So that was good. But you know, all that time, like, it could have died when I was home. I mean, I don't know. If anybody has any ideas on what to do on this one, just let me know, because that I'm kind of at a loss right now to know what to do. I mean, maybe it just could put it out. I may have to buy another processor. Maybe, like, I don't really know a whole lot about the inner workings. Like, I know you can buy RAM and put it in, and I assume you can put, like, processors and stuff in it. Really, I'm just concerned with getting my stuff off of there. You know, I was kind of thinking, if I got rid of that, I could have that space for more storage display, because like I mentioned in my 21 questions the other day, I collect a lot of shit. So I could just get rid of that desk and, you know, use that to store my movies or something. I've got this thing over here that's supposed to be used for storing movies, and actually I have this thing, oh, it's kind of covered up down here, but Mark and Sarah bought this for me a long time ago for a housewarming gift, and I never put it together because I don't really have any place to put it yet. I'm still kind of figuring everything out. But if I just get rid of that over there, I guess that could be my space. But that didn't work out the way I planned, but at least the birds are finally getting up after third time's a charm, I guess. But anyway, I don't know when I'll talk to you guys next. But I'll talk to you guys next time.